All right, so we got a package in the mail from Evelyn for teacher appreciation. Just came in, and we're gonna open it. Do you know what it is, Evelyn?
What?
You don't know? Do you want to make a guess? Look how big it is.
Be careful, Sophia.
Do you want to guess?
Yeah.
What do you think? One guess. What do you think's in here?
Stop sign.
What?
We can all make one guess. John says stop sign. Sophia, what do you think?
A bookcase.
Okay, Evelyn, what do you think?
Maybe a trampoline.
A trampoline. What do you think?
I think it's like a poster or something.
A shelf.
I
It
don't
looks
know.
like a poster.
Make
Like
one
it
guess.
feels like a poster. Like wrapped up.
Lift it.
Doesn't it feel like it's heavy?
I have a
Maybe
guess.
it's not a poster.
It's so
That's what I was gonna say. I think flowers. Tish thinks flowers. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, cut away from you.
Wait.
I don't know.
Can we do it?
No.
Okay.
Gets.
Got it. Just me bending down.
Oh, a smaller
Oh, we
box.
have
Now we need another guess.
Then it's not a
So it's fragile.
Whoa, this isn't our package. Roy ordered this for the pool. Go check the door for another package.
It's the wrong package.
Wait, it's a volleyball set.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm opening it. Guys, it's the wrong package.
I like it.
It's not yours. It's Mr. Roy. Okay, no.
What's my package?
It's a volleyball net.
It's a volleyball net for the pool.
Mr. Roy ordered
Your
it.
package is not here yet.
Your package from you is not here yet.
That's so cool.
What do you want to say to the
so
video,
excited.
Evelyn? What do you want to say?
Remember
Look.
Beckett had this?
What do you want to say?
Say-
Hopefully your package comes soon.
Yeah.
Okay? She's sad.